So hey everyone, this is Safdar Ali and welcome back to my channel. So I hope you are doing well. So in this video, I will be showing you like what are the trending websites that is going on and that has done well in 2023, and I hope this will be doing well in the 24 also. So after watching this video, I hope creativity and thinking will change and you will be making awesome stuffs by taking inspiration from this kind of websites. So without wasting any time, so let's start this video. So the first design that I will be showing you is in dark mode. It's trending in dark mode. So that is style that got super popular last year. That is 2023. Why? How it's get popular? That it's easy on the eyes, and reading and consuming content is a breeze. Plus, it gives a clean, professional, slightly serious vibe and suits a lot of websites. So the website name is linear.app. So linear is a better way to build products. So this is the website. I hope my screen is visible. So how they have used the different kind of dark colors. So this the gradient they have used, it's awesome. So I hope this website is quite good and it will be doing well in 2024 as well. So you can play around with different colors to create awesome gradient highlights and glows, making your website really pop. So these dark mode websites are here to stay, and I don't see this trend fading away anytime soon. Plus, one more bonus is that I'm having one more website. This gives rewards for paying credit card bills. It's named as credit.club. You can see the website, what kind of gradient and animation they have used. So this awesome like file app features you can see over here. The images they have used is awesome. So moving on to the second category. So the second web design that that is trending and gaining popularity in the Bento grid is the Bento grid. So the website name is Zelium.io. So what I love about these grids is that they always look neat and organized, giving a uniform, neat and organized, giving a uniform feel. If you ever wonder like how to structure your website, so just go with a bento grid. So this is a bento grid, and I have seen fantastic examples in recent months, and I believe this trend is here to stay for a while. So in many ways, it feels like we are just scratching the surface of what can be done with bento grids. So you can just, I am just going to, it's like opening a new site over here. So this site has been opened over here. I've created this awesome site. However, like anything, there are pros and cons. The major downside is that it can get a bit overwhelming and messy at the same time. So we have to be very careful while designing these kind of websites, like a cluttered and desk. So it can become like a cluttered desk also. So it's crucial to use this approach sparingly and not overload the user with too much stuffs. So this was the example for bento grids. Okay. So moving on to our third trend, okay, that's AI generated imagery. So I see a lot of increase in the use of AI generated images. So all these are AI generated images. So the visuals on so the website name is orderdev.io. You can see this website. It's an awesome website and it's looking nice, great website. Like everything is designed so well over here. Now this is kind of a slider showing their pricing over here, subscriptions, pricings. So this is the third trend I'm telling you, because people are more likely to check out image, video, animation than to read text. Okay, first they see the what kind of images, text are there. So it's like it's visible over here. You can see the animation over here. It's quite nice. You can create this kind of images with the help of Adobe Firefly, or you have heard about Midjourney. Some of the paid platforms are there, but I would say like these are the excellent places to start these kind of images also. So this was the example for like how AI generated imagery can look like. Moving on to the next trend, that is the fort design. So I have given it as a category of vibrant gradients. So you can see the website. It's named as sarago.com. You can see the website. Again, this is a slider. The texts are rolling over here. So it's a nice website. I given this as a category for vibrant gradients. So gradients can like really lift a website, adding depth and filling up the space also. So this is a fantastic way to make your website look professional without the hassle of creating custom assets or searching for stock photos or videos. This lively gradient serves. You can see the website. It's nice. If you stop this slider stop, then it can be able to scroll down. As you're scrolling down, it's just moving to the right side. It's just rotating, scrolling to the horizontal way. Okay, see. So, like the best part is that there is a multiple of like plenty of website that help you create your own gradients, and it's highly recommended that diving and learning how to create polished gradients for a sleek look. It's helpful for that. So this was the website sarago.com. You can check this out. I will be providing all the links in the description as well. I'm having one more like bonus for you. This website name is fujidesign.com. Okay, this is also a nice design. This website looks good, and it's a powerful website for your business. You can see this website. So that's why I've given this website in the vibrant gradient category. Now let's talk about the fifth and final web design trend that's going on, and it will be massive in 2024. So the website name is frema.com. Okay. So
So sorry for the technical glitch, and I am just doing the voiceover over here. As but thank for watching my thanks for watching my video. So like if you have watched till here, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. So I'm just doing a voiceover, short voiceover, as there is some technical glitch. So this is a framer.com website, and while this isn't exactly new and has been around for a years, so I noticing a lot more website embracing the idea of using really big text. Okay, so it's a bit unconventional, challenging the typical way people are used to see websites. So personally, though, I am a big fan of this trend. Why? Because it makes us as designers and developers be careful about what text we put on this website. When all your typography is huge, you can't have lots of content. Okay, so this kind of website is useful for that. So I like this because it's easy for users to read and understand exactly what website and company is about. So I hope this website was helpful for you. So there is a one. So there is a one more bonus for you. The website name is gsap.com. So this is also it's also awesome website. So I like this website. The other reason I love this massive typography. So it's a part of this massive typography content. So this is an example for that. So it takes up so much space that you don't need really to rely as much on visuals. You can use fewer images, animations, or text, and put videos over there and emphasis on the text as well. So of course, having a unique custom fonts makes this approach even more effective. So these were the websites that is trending as of now and will be trending 24 also. So if you like this video, you can just subscribe to my channel and you can just share these videos with your friends and
you can just well who is good in design and like who is designing websites or developing websites, you can just share with your developers as well. developer friends as well. And I hope this video will be helpful for you. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can just subscribe to my channel for this kind of updates and this kind of videos. So this will be motivational for me as well, to create this kind of contents. So thank you everyone, and thank you for your time.